Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today I'm going to show off this for sale, beautiful limited Tundra with the power package, premium package, TRD off-road package, and a TRD factory lift with a couple special dealer install Ed Martin touches. Let's get started. Okay, so this Tundra has a handful of factory install options. It does have the TRD 3-inch lift kit from the factory. It has the premium package, which includes the premium LED headlights and the tow tech package. Also has the power package, which is going to give you the wireless phone charger, the inverter in the back of the bed. Of course, it has the TRD off-road package, which will give you the satin black 20-inch TRD wheels, TRD grill, the TRD off bed stamp sticker on the back, as well as the red push button start, rear locking differential, which is the big thing, and of course your multi-terrain select and crawl controls. Also has standard panoramic moonroof on this limited trim level, as well as the heated steering wheel. So we went ahead and added a couple things to it. Since it already had the lift kit, of course we wanted to have the big tires. So the 35-inch tires are the Toyo Open Country. These are the LT285 65R20. This particular tire does fit. You may experience a little bit of rubbing in reverse at hard angle, but nothing that's going to hurt the tire or the truck. Because it has the TRD lift kit, we wanted to test out the TRD Pro upper control arms because we have never done that before actually. The TRD lift kit is going to come with a silver steel upper control arm, which unlike the 4Runner and the Tacoma, which come with billet aluminum upper control arms, we weren't really sure why Toyota decided to do that for the Tundra. Maybe it was a cost thing because there's so many more parts on the Tundra lift kit. So we bought the TRD Pro red billet aluminum upper control arms, installed them on this truck. I think they look absolutely fantastic. One accessory that many people do not know about is the rear trailing arm kit. This is another TRD, genuine TRD accessory for a third generation Tundra. It comes with a total of 5 pieces that you're replacing Dom steel for your trailing arm kit that's standard on the vehicle. We're gonna have 2 uppers, 2 lowers, as well as 1 in the rear for the trailing arm. These are made out of billet aluminum. They're made in-house at TRD in California. And they do have the special finish on it, which is a triple layer anodized, powder coated, and clear coated, so that it maintains lifelong finish that the truck will have. If you guys like these additional adds to this truck, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Tundra content. And of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, ask in the comment section below.